Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 6.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Aussie rise 0.3% against the dollar. According to the stochastic indicator, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Shares of Universal Music, whose lineup features the Beatles and Taylor Swift, soared on the label's stock market debut, bolstering confidence in one of the largest IPOs in recent years. Rishi Sunak has declared that Britain's economy is roaring back after firms returned £1.3 billion paid out under the Treasury's job furlough scheme. Robinhood plans to start a cryptocurrency wallet next month, which will allow you to send and receive digital currencies, as well as trade them and move them off the app.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The French market manufacturing PMI will be released at 7:15 GMT, the U.S. market services PMI at 13:45 GMT, the U.S. market manufacturing PMI at 13:45 GMT. The UK's market services PMI will be released at 8:30 GMT, the French market services PMI at 7:15 GMT, the UK's monetary policy summary at 1100 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.